If you want to know how to make the most delicious chicken, then watch this video.
Let's go to work, 'cause I'm tripping. Gotta work on myself, 'cause I'm falling apart. Please wake me up, 'cause I'm slipping.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Tara. Today, we are making the most delicious chicken. Super easy, super fast, inside of our Instant Pot, and this is a complete meal. Perfect for meal prepping, perfect for a large party, and you guys are gonna absolutely love it. Before we get started, if you have not already, I would love for you to be a part of this community. You do that by hitting the red subscribe button that's right below this video, and be sure to click the bell icon. That way you're notified each time I post a new video. Be sure to stay all the way through the end of the video. I'm gonna be sharing some really great meal prep hacks. If you guys are ready to make this super delicious chicken, smash that like button and let's jump right into the video. We're gonna start by adding our chicken to the Instant Pot. I'm using chicken breasts. You could also use chicken thighs. Add our broth. This is garlic broth. You could also use chicken broth. Tomatoes. A great way to ramp up the flavor inside of this dish is to use fire roasted tomatoes. Trust me guys, you want to try this. You can also use diced tomatoes rather than whole tomatoes if you can find it. Now it's time for us to add our dried spices. I love using whole cumin seed and toasting it before I grind it up to bring out the most intense flavor. You don't have to do this. You can of course just use ground cumin and it will still be delicious. We're gonna add cumin, garlic powder, onion powder, chili powder, and I like using ancho chili powder also. You can use all chili powder if that's all you have. And I'm just lightly stirring it. Next, we're gonna add our trivet to the bottom of the Instant Pot, and I'm using a heat-proof glass bowl. Then we're gonna add our rinsed and drained quinoa. Quinoa may not be a typical side dish for a recipe like this, but trust me, it is absolutely delicious. You can also use white quinoa or a mixture of the two. Add some water. And I like to add some garlic bouillon to this to really ramp up the flavors. Just giving everything a nice stir. Then we're gonna grab our lid, make sure the silicone ring is on, close the lid, set it to sealing, cook on high pressure for 12 minutes. We're gonna allow 10 minutes of natural pressure, then we're gonna perform a quick release. And when the pin drops, we're gonna open the lid, and fluff our perfectly cooked quinoa. Such an easy meal prep. Carefully remove the bowl. And now we're gonna shred this chicken. You could shred it straight inside of the Instant Pot. I wanted to take it out and shred it in a bowl. And using only 2 forks, it shreds so easily. Now, since I didn't have diced tomatoes, I'm using my immersion blender to puree it just a little bit. Then I'm gonna pour the sauce right over the chicken. Stir everything together. Chicken tacos is a classic dish. You can also make chicken quesadillas, chicken nachos, or even a simple salad. This recipe is extremely versatile. That way you don't get bored throughout the week. You guys have got to try this recipe. Of course, I'm drinking my dry red. Perfect for weekday lunches and quick, easy dinners. If you like this video, you're gonna wanna check out my one pot recipe playlist. I'm gonna leave it right here for you. Go ahead and click the video on the screen and I will see you over there.